I'm Nikhil, CEO of OrbitAID Aerospace. We are a space tech company based out in Bangalore in India. What we develop is a solution for satellites to refuel themselves. We are a Formula One pit stop for satellites in space. The Astra program was extremely good for us. It brought us reach in an international level, and we got training on the soft skill sides, which we would have not received from any other possibility. It brought us to the open market. A lot of people recognize us now. They help us in getting your pitch deck ready. They help us in getting your presentations ready. And they will also connect you to their whole network of investors that Starburst has. And if you're lucky, if you're diligent enough, you would get an investor as well. So they have the whole package to get your startup off the ground. We had really good mentors, Medad and Ken, who took us forward by a lot. We got a lot of network opportunities, we got a lot of technical support, follow the program, and try to make as much connections as possible. Yes, we would wholeheartedly recommend Starburst to other companies that want to make a presence in the space economy. It's a very challenging and long road, and having any sort of help would definitely be useful in your journey. So I would 100% recommend it.